Packing an order for Miss Ronalyn. Studio vlog. Juve Myers. Hi, this is Juve Meyer and welcome to my vlog. For today's video I am going to pack an order for Miss Ronalyn. She ordered 2 packs of yellow gold tassel and 2 packs of army green tassel. Now we're done and ready to deliver. Shout out to you, Miss Ronalyn. Thank you for your purchase. While waiting for pickup, she added 1 pack of tassel. So that's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. See you next video. Goodbye. For more video just click this. Thank you for watching.